A spacious cockpit is the first thing you'll see when you board your catamaran for the first time. The cockpit is where you'll spend most of your time on board, as it serves as a relaxing space to have meals together at the dining table, chill out on the lounges, or soak up the summer sun. The kitchen on board features all the creature comforts you'd expect in an apartment, including a fridge, freezer, stovetop, oven, and plenty of bench space to prepare meals. Some vessels even come complete with a coffee machine. Think of the salon like an open-plan lounge room, ample space to relax, unwind, and escape the summer sun. Salons are also air-conditioned for additional comfort. Cabins are tucked away in the halls of the catamaran, which are on each side of the vessel and sit above the waterline. Your oasis is complete with a compact ensuite that is efficiently laid out and features the convenience of a shower and toilet, allowing you to freshen up on board. Are you ready to jump on board your home away from home?